How do we know when an animal is an animal? Well, an animal has a big range of things that let us know that an animal is an animal. One of those things is they are multicellular, meaning that they are made up of more than one cell. Pretty easy, right? They have no cell walls. They are eukaryotic. They eat other organisms. They can move, have sensory organs, have internal digestion, reproduce sexually, and have some form of embryonic development. Now, time for a break in the action. Time for a quick pause in the action. Just a quick reminder for you to subscribe if you haven't. Click the like button, leave me a comment, and share the video with someone in your family or your friend group. And now, back to your regular video. This is as good a time as any to say that not all living things fit nice and neatly into this well thought through list of what makes an animal an animal. So let's get into this, shall we? Now we're looking at a few different animals in front of the camera, and they are all made up of many different cells, all designed to keep them and you alive. Now it's that wide range of cells that makes them multicellular. Another thing that sets us and other animals apart is that our cells do not have a cell wall. They don't contain cellulose. We just have a cell membrane, and that helps to keep all of the parts of our cells where they belong. Animals eat other organisms. They are either herbivores or carnivores or omnivores, which basically means that they eat either plants or animals or both. Now, animals can also be scavengers or decomposers, but either way, they're still eating plant matter or animal matter. Animals move. Now, you might look at something like a mussel or an oyster or a sponge or coral and say they don't move, but you would be wrong. These animals do move at some point in their lives. Now, they might be free swimming as larvae and then settle down to become adults where they're stuck in place. But at one time, they did move. Now, animals can sense the world around them, and their senses may be different than our senses, but they can still sense it all the same. Animals are capable of sexual reproduction. Now, we've talked about the hydra, and the hydra can reproduce sexually, as can other animals. And the hydra is not alone in that. Animals can also pass through different stages as they develop, and that is our last glance at what makes an animal an animal. Now, I did want to look something up real quick, because, yeah. Okay, so basically, eukaryotic means that they have a cell membrane instead of a cell wall. So with that, I'm going to say see you in the next one. Goodbye, guys.